So, with regards to the World Cup that is going to be taking place in USA, this is the view of Julius Malema. The video is courtesy of News Live SA.
South Africa, Bafana Bafana must officially withdraw. SAFA must take a decision to withdraw from having anything to do with the World Cup that is taking place in America.
So that's the view of Julius Malema, that Bafana Bafana must withdraw. And Malema is not happy, with so many of these things. But here lies the problem, and the problem is like mixing sports with politics. These things should not be mixed. Sports and politics, I always believe that they should be separate. So if they withdraw, what's next? Because most of these boys in that team, they definitely want that world stage to be seen, because they also want to go and play in Europe. They want to be picked by agents. Julius Malem obviously has his job in parliament, but for these boys, and you do know footballing career is very, very short. So this is their opportunity, to be seen. And if they withdraw, to whose benefit is it? Is it going to like put the pressure on anything or solve anything? I doubt, it's going to solve anything. So I don't agree with this view of Julius Malema that Bafana Bafana should withdraw. So looking at the reality, Bafana Bafana is not going to withdraw. That's my belief. I don't think that Safa is going to take that decision to withdraw. But obviously, if Malema was the president of SA, I feel like he was going to force them to withdraw. But as things stand, Bafana Bafana is going to be there playing that World Cup, and I think it's a good thing. I'll catch you guys on the next one.